So I'm Andre Archer, I'm the Territory Manager for Nelson, Marlborough and the West Coast. Been my job to look after this for a project from the word go. It's been a real privilege. It's been great fun. It's a great build to be a part of. LV lock gate to PB2. You know, as we all know, water surety is a problem everywhere, so this dam's been designed as essentially a battery lake, flows out into the river, and it's designed to ensure that flow year round, because that river is used to irrigate a lot of food producing on the Waimea plains.
My name's Zach Byron. I'm a site engineer for Fulton Hogan here on the Waimea Community Dam. Reid have been a key part in getting this project over the line and done. Our dam here is a concrete face reinforced rock-filled dam. We use a lot of casting couplers, Reid casting couplers. They just save on a lot of reinforcing, not having to install dowels and starters that take up a lot more room. Another big one from Reid that we've used are all their lifting anchors and lifting clutches. Yeah, behind us are the parapet wall panels, so they're the wave break for the dam. They were all precast and were rotated and lifted in using lifting anchors and clutches.
So we're on site here today at Specialised Concrete Products, who are our precast partner with the Waimea Dam project and many others around the region. Brett, who's the manager here, he's been in the industry for about 35 years. He's been a Reid customer for most, if not all of that time. So in that time, you know, as a partnership, we consider safety as our first priority in the business, and that's where the importance of our lift designs come in and our design engineering service. So there's a lot of trust in our engineering service. It's hugely regarded around the country. When Brett has a project starting, he'll come to me. We'll liaise with what's required regarding the lifting methodology, if it's face lifters only or edge lifters or whatever it might be for requirements on site as well. We'll put that into the design portal. That then goes through to our team in Auckland, who liaise with Brett during the design process, and at the other end we print out a lift design, a bespoke one for every panel in the project.
My name's Hayden White. I'm a contracts manager for SCP, and here we make precast concrete. Yeah, we were approached by Fulton Hogan and Taylor's about taking on the dam project. So we needed confidence from our subcontractors that we could really undertake it, and Reid's and Lift and Shift come to the party with that to make sure we could achieve the project. So we manufactured 64 20-tonne parapet walls for the top of the dam to stop any overflow from the top. Because it's so heavy, we need to not only build it, but we need to then extract it, air rotate it, transfer it 50 k's down the road to the dam and get it to the top of the dam. So we really need to rely on Reid's to provide us what lifters we needed, where to put them, and how it would hang in the air to make sure it went in straight and proper. So we really relied on them to do that, and we follow that to the letter because we know that Reid's have engineered that plan to make sure it works in a safe and efficient manner. Especially with the Waimea Dam, our relationship with Reid's is extremely important. We've worked with them as long as I've ever been here, and when it comes to the dam, we really relied on them.
Working with the team from Fulton Hogan Taylors, they've been just the utmost professionals from the word go, you know, and it's been a really true partnership, which is exactly what it needs to be for something of this scale. And just as a legacy, you know, to sit here and know that this is going to be serving our region for years to come, to and have a little bit of a part to do with it. It's a real sense of pride, really is, yeah.